Hello, my wonderful friends. How are you all? Welcome back to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, this is your host Asad Shah, and we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today I am gonna show you some of the best and the latest designs of school t-shirts designs for lovely women. My dear viewers, these schools t-shirts designs are picked very carefully with the vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and my lovely fans, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, these t-shirts are very comfortable, elegant and easy to wear, and brilliantly created, keeping in mind the trends and colors of the seasons by top fashion designers. So friends and my lovely viewers, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or friends, if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. My dear friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of schools t-shirts designs for lovely women, and these are only selected for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you.